Hey Tom, we're on a little walk. Look at the cloud pattern in the sky. I don't know if you can see it. See some chemtrails off in the horizon. I'll leave that alone. Okay, Sophie, look in the camera. Sophie, she doesn't pay attention. There's Allie. Hey Allie, give me your ball. Allie likes the ball. And Molly likes to intercept the ball. And here comes Rowdy. Kind of overcast. So this is kind of an experimental video. I'll put it in the bloggy. I'll edit it in the software and see how it works. Is it recording? I think it is recording. I hope it's recording. I'll throw the ball when we get further up the moor. You can see the mountains. There's like a dump over here. I think he's got a compost pile. They grow. Oh, Allie. Okay, Allie wants me to throw her ball again. I'm not throwing it far, sweetie. Let's go this way. Sophie, where are you? There she is. Rowdy, come here. Rowdy's going off and wandering. I don't know. Rowdy's kind of old.
Rowdy.
Doesn't hear very well. Molly's coming up.
Oh, I know. What a good girl you are.
See,
Molly.
you need Molly to be the herder that she is and herd the dogs in. Sophie, where are you?
I just saw her at a...
She was, yeah, I saw her. She blends in with the dirt. Sophie? Oh, there she is. See, she literally blends in with the dirt.
All right, get your ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball.